Hello students, today we are going to see what is a simple cubic crystal. Simple cubic crystal, which is also known as a primitive crystal. So what is a simple cubic crystal? When the particles of a cell are present in the when the particles of a cell are present in the corners of the cell, we call it simple cubic crystal or a simple cubic lattice or simple cubic unit cell, or it is also known as a primitive cell or primitive cubic cell. Okay. Now, as I said, the corners of the all the corners of the cube are occupied by the cells. On each corner there is a cell. So how many corners? There are 8 corners. On 8 corners there is one atom, one cell. So such a cubic cell is known as a simple cubic cell. So the simple cubic cell, now let us see how many atoms per unit cell is there. Now this is one unit cell. Now each corner, this atom in the corner is shared by the neighboring cell also. This cell gets extended on all the sides. 3-dimensionally it is extended. So each atom is shared by the neighboring cells also. So each atom is shared by 8 neighboring cells. So we have to see how many atoms actually are there. So let's see this one. See here. See the corners, there are 8 cells. Now if you cut it exactly, so this one spherical atom is spherical, is taking part in the neighboring cells also. So actually it is getting cut like this. So you have only 1/8 of the atom here. This is 1/8 of the atom at each corner. 1/8, 1/8, 1/8 here, 1/8 here, 1/8 here, and at the back also is 1/8. So there are how many corners? 8 corners. There are 8 corners, and each atom is contributing. The contribution by each atom is equal to 1/8 because it is getting cut. Now so total is equal to 1/8 into 8. So that's equal to 1. So the whole cube totally makes only one atom. There is only one atom in the entire cell. So even though there are 8 corners, because it is getting cut by the neighboring cells, so the total number of atom in one unit cell is only 8. Now let's see the distance, the edge distance. The edge is A. For a cube, edge is A. So each side is the same, A and A and A and all. So the distance between two neighboring atoms, distance D, is equal to A, or we can say the interatomic distance is equal to D is equal to A. So as we know, the atoms are touching each other. So what is the radius of the atom? This is the radius of the atom, this part. So the radius, so what is the radius? The radius of the atom here is equal to D upon 2, half of the interatomic distance, that is equal to A upon 2. Okay, so the radius of the atom here is A upon 2. Next is the coordination number. What is coordination number? Coordination number is the number of immediate neighboring atoms. Number of immediate neighboring atoms. or we can say it is a number of atoms which are in immediate contact with each atom. So see this one. So here we have 8 cubes here. The center, there is one atom in the center, is a corner of one of the cubes. It is in contact with the next atom. So the immediate neighbor, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Or you see here, it is being numbered. So the one atom, it has the immediate neighbors. There are 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 neighboring atoms in this, or in the simple cubic lattice or simple cubic crystal, coordination number Cn is equal to 6. This is about the simple cubic lattice. I hope you understood this. You can watch this video again and you can subscribe this channel so that you will get to know the next upcoming videos. Thank you.